Hi, welcome to Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to change Roblox avatar to R15. So right here is the home page of my Roblox. The first thing you have to do is to click on the avatar option found at the bottom of the screen. Make sure your option here, the top option, is on customize. Click on the customize option. Click on head and body. Click on the build option beneath the head and body, so you just have to scroll from the left to make sure you get the last option, build. Having done that, you just have to scroll. You're going to see an option that says R15. Click on it. Click on the build in order to confirm. So guys, that is it on how to change Roblox avatar to R15. If this video is helpful, please do also like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.